Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox tutorial. In today's practice, we are going to find out how to show posts with specific criteria using MetaBox and Oxygen. Here, I did an archive page with Oxygen as an example. This page will display only the dishes which are on sale. Each dish is a post of a custom post type. In addition to the basic information of the dishes such as the name, description, and the image of the dish, I have these two numbers for pricing. This is the original price and the promotional price. They are saved in custom fields. Only posts which have numbers in the promotional price fields will be displayed on this page. Let's see which tools we need for this tutorial. We need MetaBox to have a framework creating custom fields. It's free and available on WordPress.org, so you can install it directly. We also need some MetaBox extensions to have advanced features. You can download them individually or just use MetaBox AIO. Here are the extensions that we will use in this practice. First, MB Custom Post Type and Custom Taxonomies to create custom post types. Next, MetaBox Builder to have a UI on the backend to create custom fields easily. Finally, I also use the MB Admin column to display custom fields as columns like this. It will help to clarify easier which dishes have the promotional price, means which are on sale. However, this extension is just optional. The last one is Oxygen. Make sure you activate and update to the latest version to have full integration with MetaBox. Let's get started. Go to MetaBox and create a new post type. Then, you will see a Cuisines menu here. Here are two fields I created as an example. The value stored in these two fields will be the condition to choose which dishes will be displayed. Let's create them. In this practice, I use the MB Admin column, so I have the settings like this. I tick the box to show this field as an admin column. Do likewise with the promotional price field. This will help you to clarify which post has a promotional price field or not, and the dishes on sale will be displayed in the archive page. For example, this post doesn't have promotional price field, so this dish will not be displayed in the archive page. After creating all the fields, move to the Settings tab, choose Location as Post Type, and then select Cuisines to apply these fields to this post type. Now, you will see all the created custom fields when creating a new post in Cuisines. You can add some information into the custom fields. Here is the post I created. As you can see, the original price and the promotion price are shown as admin columns like this. Let's create a template for the page. Next, create a new page. Set the created template to apply to this page. Now, edit the page with Oxygen. Remember to set a preview. Add a section component first. Then add a heading for having a page title. Insert data from the post title to get the name automatically. I'll use some div components to set content in sections. Add a repeater component to display all the posts as we want. However, we just choose to display the cuisines which are on sale, so we need to set a condition in the settings of this component. In the query section, choose Advanced and edit the query to add some parameters. This is the slug of the custom post type that we want to get posts from. The condition will be based on the promotional price field. If the field has any value, the post will be displayed. So we will add a parameter like this. This is the ID of the promotional price. If you want to limit the number of the posts to display on each page, use this parameter. That's all for the condition. Next, just add some components to display the information of each post. Add an image component to get the image of the dishes, which is the featured image of the post. Click this Select Dynamic Data button, and choose the featured image option from the list. Then you'll see all the featured images of the posts displayed like this. Next, add a heading to get the dish's name from the post title. For the original price of the dish, I'd like to use the text component. Choose Insert Data to get the data that saves in the custom fields. Since the field is created by MetaBox, select the MetaBox field option. Then choose the corresponding field from the list as well. You may want to display the unit price along with the number, so you can set it as the prepend or append text of the field like this. Then check this box. It'll be displayed like this. For the promotional price, do likewise. Or you can duplicate this one and just change the field connecting with it. For the description of the dish, which is the post content, add a text component as well. Then insert date from the content fields of the post. Now, all the information has been obtained. For styling, still in the page editor with Oxygen, you can style each component by changing the settings in the Advanced tab of each one. It displays exactly as I want on the front end. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you want to try more, Please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe us for more tutorials. Bye.